Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to get my hair done. I'm currently in the car. Today I'm going to get my hair colored. Last time I was in Sydney, I got my hair balayage, so that's when the roots are darker and the ends are lighter. And so this time when I'm back in Sydney, I thought I would touch up my roots and just lighten my ends so it's not so warm the color, and maybe just go a little bit lighter. And so I'm going to see my hair colorist Amaya. She's the best person to go to in Sydney if you want balayage, because she blends the color really nicely. She hand paints it, and so I thought I would film the whole process for you guys. I'm currently waiting for Alfred to come back because he's gone to get us breakfast. We're in Canley Heights getting a pork roll. Yum.
How'd it go?
Yeah, I just did my intro and I said that you were coming back with a pork roll, so perfect timing. So good. I mean, if you guys don't like coriander, you would look at this and be mortified, but I love coriander.
How can you
Actually, comment below, do you like coriander or do you despise and hate that? I love coriander.
Same. I don't even understand how anyone cannot like coriander.
Okay, I'm going to quickly eat this and then we're going to head to Amaya's place. Hair transformation vlog turned into a mukbang real quick.
My credit card is at its limit. I missed my Uber by a minute. No one's home, lost my keys. Tinder's got no match for me. My life's a mess, I just go with it.
Here's a look at my hair. It's a mess, I know. It's been 5 months since I last colored it, so I can't wait for Amaya to work her magic. Amaya starts by sectioning my hair, and she's going to work on the back part first. She begins by painting on the bleach starting at the sides and sweeping the bleach downwards towards my ends. This is known as the balayage technique. Fun fact guys, balayage is a French coloring technique that was developed in the 1970s. It's a freehand technique where the color is applied on by hand rather than using traditional foiling methods or those highlighting caps. By using this technique, it actually makes the transition between the dark hair color and light color much more natural looking, and it blends more seamlessly. So Amaya specializes in this hand painting technique. As you guys can see, she's feathering the bleach upwards, and this is actually going to help the color she applies later blend really nicely.
Take another hit, but I'm already high. Told myself I wouldn't, why do I even try? Here I go again, fucking on my head, staying home and getting stoned instead. I know that I shouldn't, I can't prioritize. I keep messing up things, I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my head go, fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault.
You can slowly start to see my hair is lightening up, especially at the ends because they were bleached previously. So Amaya is done hand painting the bleach on. I'm going to wait for an hour for this to process, and then after she's going to pop on the color and then tone my hair. But yeah, you can already see it's lightening up, and my ends will obviously be the lightest because they were bleached previously as well, so done with the same technique. So this time the color is going to be lighter, and hopefully I can go more ashy tone. An hour later, and I am looking like a Super Saiyan. My hair has definitely lifted and the color is looking a bit yellow right now.
When I feel low, the party's where I go. Get a little tipsy, but I can't take it slow. Drink a little more, lay it on the floor. People knocking on the bathroom door. Try to play cool, but everybody knows I keep messing up things, I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices.
I know what you guys are thinking, it's looking even more orange and yellow, But bleaching is just the first step. Later, Amaya is actually going to apply the hair color on top.
In my head, go. Fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault.
So she starts off by applying a natural brown color, level 6, for the roots of my hair. I opted for this color because it's not too far off from my natural hair color, meaning that when my hair grows out, it won't look so obvious, which means I don't have to go for touch-ups every like 3 to 4 weeks.
This shit's always my fault and no one else. Cause I worry what they think of me. Got me wasting all my energy. Yeah, I always sabotage myself, sabotage.
Halfway through our hair session, Nick, Amaya's husband, brings down their baby. Meet Cruz, everyone. He is a little cutie, which no doubt will be very popular with the girls later in life. And can we just take a second to appreciate Cruz's hair? He's only 7 weeks and he has a full head of hair. Like, wow. Once Amaya was done with the roots, she applied another color to the rest of my hair. This is a 7/1 ash brown color.
We gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so mother.
After 30 minutes, the color was washed off and toner was applied all over. This toner will help to get rid of some of the brassy tones in my hair, making it more of an ashy tone.
We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many. Smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dancing like there's no one else around. You know I be looking so fine, body like mine, wearing these boots thigh high. Bitches in the corner with wine, staring cause we never get stuck in line. We can't help it, we just look so snug. Oh, we look so good. Yeah, we're the ones the boys are looking at.
My battery ran out and so I thought I'd film my outro back in the studio. So this is what my hair looks like now. What do you guys think of the color? It definitely looks a lot better than before. My hair color is getting kind of like orangey and brassy, and honestly my roots were crazy. I hadn't like touched up in a couple of months. And that's the thing with balayage, right? You kind of can get away with it because your roots are normally darker and then it lightens up at the end. So it's perfect for those of you who are lazy and you want something low maintenance. I would recommend going for a balayage. If you guys live in Sydney and you want to get your hair done, I would highly recommend going to Hair by Amaya. She works from home and I've been using her for years. She's amazing. She blends the color in so nice and seamlessly. You can see there's no like choppiness and you can't really see where each color starts and ends. If you guys are interested, I'll leave her Instagram and contact details below. She usually charges about $200 per balayage session, so it kind of depends on how light you want to go. But yeah, do check out her page. She has amazing work, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Now that my hair is properly colored and it's actually getting longer, I think I might do some more hair tutorials. I haven't done a hair tutorial in a while, so let me know if there's any particular hair videos that you guys want to see. That is it from me. I shall speak to you guys next time.